In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Assistive Touch not working on iPhone screen after iOS 16 update. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first thing you have to try is open up your settings and from here tap at General, then tap at Software Update, and here check if new iOS update is available, because in some cases if you got some iOS problems it can be fixed with new iOS updates, so they may add here some hot fixes, so just download and install new iOS version. If that doesn't help you, you can try go out of here, then in settings scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then Touch, then Assistive Touch, and from here you can disable Assistive Touch, then wait for a couple of seconds and then enable this feature and try if it starts working. The next thing that you can try is to soft reset your iPhone. Just hold down volume up and power button until that screen comes up, and then just move that slider to the very right side to turn your device off. Then wait for 10 seconds and hold down your power button until you will see Apple logo on the screen, and then just wait until your device will turn on and try how Assistive Touch works. If it doesn't help you, all you have to do is go into your settings again, and from here tap on General, then scroll down to the very bottom and hit on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and at the very top tap at Reset All Settings. Then confirm this by entering your passcode and then reset your device settings. I hope this video helped you out, so don't forget to like and subscribe.